Let's learn about types of income. It is important to know about types of incomes as which ITR to file depends on the types of incomes. As per income tax laws, income is classified into the following categories known as heads of income. Income from salary. Salary is what is received by an employee from an employer in cash, kind or as a facility, perquisite. Pension is also considered as salary. The pension is normally paid a periodical payment on a monthly basis which is fully taxable, under the head income from salary, in the hand of the employee, whether government employee or non-government employee. Income from house property is the income earned from rent of residential or commercial property. If one has taken home loan to buy a property, then interest payment is also considered as negative income from house property. Our article Income from House Property and Income Tax Return discusses it in detail. Business is an activity of purchase and sale of goods with the intention of making profit. Profession is an occupation requiring intellectual skill, for example doctor, lawyer etc. Vocation is an activity which requires a special skill which is used to earn income, e.g. painter, singer etc. So income from profession or business income is income earned from freelancing, doing contract work for doctors, CA, lawyers, by bloggers, YouTubers etc. Income from capital gains is the income earned from the sale of capital assets, like mutual funds, shares, land, house. So when income from other sources is the interest earned from savings accounts, fixed deposits, winning lottery etc. Any income which does not fall in any of the above category comes under this category. And exempt income is the income that is not taxable. Even though these are tax-free, all exempt incomes must be mentioned in the tax return. This includes PPF interest, APF withdrawal after 5 years etc. Our article Exempt Income and Income Tax Return discusses it in detail. Let's understand with questions. Bharati is a salaried employee below 60 years of age. She is resident of India. Income from salary is 8 lakh rupees. She received 4,000 rupees as interest from her saving bank account. She has a fixed deposit of 5 lakhs on which she receives 33,710.20 as interest in free 2019-20. Her FD will mature on the 3rd of February 2021. She has invested in ALSS funds of amount as 50,000 rupees. She lives in a rented house and gets HRA. So what types of income does Bharati have? Let's do the quiz on types of incomes.
Visit bemoneyaway.com for books and ebooks and our trainings. Do subscribe to the channel.